Now, yes, first we'll recapitulate or whatever question we left out last time. I told you exercise 5.2, fourth question, third part. Soumitra, read question for me, please. Children, put your video on, please. Soumitra, read the question for me. Question number 4, third part.
Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi.
Yes, this we were doing last time when we left our class, and I'm showing you this on the board. We did this, half of the portion we did it, and I'll explain you from the board. In case you have query, then let's see. We were finding the marks in different subjects last time when we finished our last class. When we finished our last class, we were calculating. Just see, we left the class here. We were calculating the marks for English, mathematics, social science, science, and Hindi. Hindi was calculated in the first part only. Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll repeat. Now for English, 540 the total marks, 360 is the total angle. 540 upon 360 is the fraction we get for marks. Then we have to multiply with degree. 55, so we get 82.5. This we calculated. Do you all remember?
Yes, ma'am.
For math, 540 upon 360 into 90. And we got marks for mathematics as 135. Then for social science, 540 upon 360 into 65. The marks obtained in social science is 97.5. Please, but wherever you left out, I think we did till here. Please continue. Science, 540 upon 360 into 80. We get 120. I want to see you people writing. Please put your videos on. Akib, I can see only your fan. I want to see you writing. Dave, I want to see you writing. Whom are you talking to in the class? Please, I want to see you writing. Soumitra, we did till here for finding of social science.
Yes, ma'am.
For sciences, 540 upon 360 into angle is 80 for science. So we multiply by 80, we get 120. This is the most important part of this question. Once you understand how to calculate the values respective corresponding to these degrees, you can solve any kind of question they ask. Now in this part they have asked whether the marks of math and social science more than marks of science and Hindi.
Ma'am, the screen is very blurred.
Sohan, आपके यहाँ बेटा नेट की प्रॉब्लम है. From my side, screen is very clear.
Can you read the science and Hindi?
Okay, science is 120 and Hindi is 105. Science is 120 and Hindi is 105. Then afterwards, third part which Soumitra read right now. Soumitra ने जो read किया उसमें ये करना था आपको math और social science के marks को add करा. We got 232.5 and when we added science and Hindi marks, we got 120 plus 105. We got 120 plus 105. That is 225. Okay, children? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
query?
Yes.
Any query?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have learned how to read a pie chart. When degrees are given or percentages are given, we should be able to find corresponding values. When जब मार्क्स निकालना था आपको, तो आपने डिग्री से मल्टीप्लाई की डिग्री को ऊपर रखा, मार्क्स को ऊपर रखा, मार्क्स निकालना था ना, मार्क्स को ऊपर रखा और टोटल डिग्री लिखा 360, उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके डिग्री जो आपको गिवन है, that way you can find marks, corresponding marks.
मैम ने सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी नहीं करा था.
सेकंड कर लिया था बेटा, सेकंड में तो कंपेयर ही करना था बस. How many more marks? This we did. 30 marks, I think it was. How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? Compare maths marks and Hindi.
30 ही आंसर है.
Yes, compare. इसीलिए निकलवाया था आपसे. Once you calculate this, you can do any part. Okay, Ryansh was asking this.
Yes, ma'am.
Anji, the answer is 30 marks. Child got 30 more marks in mathematics than in Hindi. Child got 30 marks more in mathematics than in Hindi. This was the answer of second part. Any query? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we
got 30? मैम कहते child got
30 more marks in mathematics than in Hindi? Compare it to करना तो maths के marks और हिंदी के marks. We have to compare the marks of Hindi and mathematics. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will learn how to draw a pie chart. We will learn
Okay,
how
ma'am.
to draw a pie chart. Be ready with your compasses and ruler. I'll come to the PPT. Wait. Yes. Can you all see the PPT on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We were here. We will now do drawing of a pie chart. We'll start with drawing of a pie chart. I'll explain you first the steps. What all things we have to do for constructing a pie chart. We have to do some calculations. We have to do some calculations. First is we need to find the angle of each sector. हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी दी होती है उसको सेक्टर्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. We'll divide the whole circle into different sectors and those sectors will show. You have seen pie chart. जो sectors होते हैं वो show करते हैं आपको different items given in the frequency table or the data given to you. We have to first calculate that angle. The next is we draw a circle with using a pair of compasses. Then we use a protector to draw the angles. सारे angles आपको ये draw करने होते हैं. अगर आप इस वाले क्वेश्चन को देखते पहले वाले को तो 90, 65, 80 आपको plot करने थे वहां पर. Then label the pie chart and all its sectors. फिर आपको pie chart को label करना है और सारे sectors को label करना है. You can use the colors also like you use in your map. Keys we will use. Let's see one example now. And let's understand the formula. Formula for finding each angle to find each angle is we have to use this formula. Please note down this formula is important. Angle of the sector is frequency of data upon total frequency into 360 degrees. Please note down, children. Frequency of data upon total frequency into 360 degrees. Frequency of data upon total frequency find this fraction first. पहले सारे fractions निकालोगे, फिर 360 से उसको multiply कर दोगे आप. Get the angle. Children, have you noted down?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. Don't worry. I'm waiting. We're not at all in a hurry. I want to spend more time for drawing a pie chart because you're doing it first time. We'll do many questions. I think I'll do all the questions of NCERT. Then extra questions we can practice from Exemplar.
And what is written in
Sohan, bolo.
front of
I'm
this
not able to hear
frequency of
you.
data and total frequency into
Frequency of data means अभी आपको दिखाते हैं example. Like there were Hindi, Science, SST, Maths, English
ma'am,
marks.
what is written in angle of
Sector. Angle of sector. Sector is a part of circle. Sector is a part of circle. Center से अगर हम join करते हैं दो रेडाई को, that we get a sector. आपने pie chart में sectors देखे हैं ना? Sectors ही तो होते हैं वो subdivided parts. They are called
ma'am, वो जो
sectors.
triangular piece बनते हैं
Triangular नहीं होते बेटा, sector होता है वो. That is not triangular. Sector.
triangular pieces बनते हैं
Sectors तो we have done in class 6 also
वो shape में
बच्चा.
थोड़े बहुत triangle types होते हैं
Yes.
yes ma'am, this is the last question ma'am, triangular piece बनते हैं
Total angle एक और बात. Once you calculate all the angles, you can cross check कि आपने angles ठीक से calculate किए हैं कि नहीं किए. You can add them up, and the sum should come out 360. Sum should come out 360. Now should we proceed for an example?
Total angle should be add up to 3.
You just either you write down if you want to make it an important step point, or you just remember it forever. Once you have calculated all the angles, the total should always be 360. Total should always be 360.
Okay. Okay.
Now see an example. It's a very simple example I have taken first. Example is in a school.
example बनाना है
हाँ जी. In a school.
example बनाना है
हाँ बेटा. In a school.
अरे क्वेश्चन लिखना है.
ये एग्जाम्पल बनाना है, क्वेश्चन लिखना है, एक बात नहीं है ये. Is it not the same? This question you don't have in your book. It's an extra question. I have taken an example. So how will you do? Question लिखे बिना हम example कैसे draw करोगे, कैसे calculate करोगे सब कुछ? They asked the same question. Babnu asked the same question. In a school, there are 750 students in year 1. 420 students in year 2 and 630 students in year 3. So they are comparing a school of 3 year data of 3 years in a school, and they are saying in year 1 there were 750 students, in year 2 there were 420, and in year 3 there were 630. हमको ये plot करना है circle graph में, means pie chart में. हम पहले तीनों sectors के measurement निकालेंगे. देखो ध्यान से कैसे मेजरमेंट निकलता है. पहले टोटल निकालते हैं. हमको भी बताया टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालो. 750 प्लस 420 प्लस 630. 720 प्लस 420 प्लस 630. 750 प्लस 420 प्लस 630. 750. हाँ जी, जो आप सोन पूछ रहे थे ना फ्रीक्वेंसी, आप बताएंगे हम आपको कैसे निकालते हैं एंगल. देखो फर्स्ट ईयर का आएगा 750 अपॉन 1800. ये अपॉन है बच्चा. 750 अपॉन 750 इज द नंबर ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ ईयर 1 upon total frequency into 360. Okay. 750 is the frequency of year 1 upon total into 360. You got 150 degree.
मैम अब ईयर 2 का 420 अपॉन में 1800 into 360 ना.
हाँ. Please do the calculations on your own. You have to do.
84 next वाले का 80.
Sometimes you also get the angles in decimals. Don't get scared. Year 2 will calculate as 420 upon 1800 into 360. Year 2.
ईयर 3 का 126 डिग्री.
हाँ जी, एक और तरीका भी है 3 का निकालने के लिए 360 में तो माइनस कर दो या फिर आप ऐसे निकालो. ठीक है. और चेक करो तीनों का सम 360 आ रहा है. If you calculate like this, this is year 3. Sorry, this is year 3 mentioned by my mistake. It's mentioned year 1. Please write year 3. Let me just make the correction here only. This is year 3. This is year 3.
मैम 360 बन रहा है.
हाँ जी,
मैम इन तीनों डिग्री में क्या क्या करें
बताएंगे. पहले आप इतना तो करो.
कर ली.
हम इसको टेबुलर फॉर्म में भी करते हैं. आपकी बुक में टेबुलर दिया, टेबुलर भी करेंगे. When there are more values, more frequency, do tabular. Okay, टेबल बना के भी करेंगे. अब क्या करो, पहले सर्कल ड्रॉ करो. ड्रॉ सर्कल with compass.
मैम रेडियस
आराम से करो. Take your time and do. I'm not in a hurry.
हम रेडियस क्या ले.
मैम रेडियस का लेना है.
There is no fixed radius required. Pie chart can be of any size. No radius measurement required.
मैम एक बार पिछली वाली स्लाइड दिखा दोगे? एक सेकंड के लिए दिखा दो बस स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके. हाँ मैम ठीक है.
देखो अपना सर्कल ड्रॉ किया आपने. ड्रॉ सर्कल. Whose mic is on? Lakshit. Yes. Draw a circle.
मैम पहले पॉइंट्स लिखने या फिर पहले बनाओ.
अब क्या
हैं? Who's
हम
asking?
फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट पॉइंट्स
Which points?
हमें तो ओवर लग रहा है.
हम अगर सर्कल छोटा बना दे तो कुछ होता तो नहीं ना छोटा.
Now you can make up any size, but it will be convenient if you make a reasonably good size. Don't make very small because we have to draw angles further. We have to further draw angles. और सेंटर से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. Draw a line from the center. Draw this line. Draw this line from the center.
Next.
Wait. Now draw angle. आपको सारे angles you have to draw with protector only. Go to the first angle 150. I remember. Right now I don't have the data with me. 150 था ना?
Yes ma'am. 150.
150 draw करेंगे. 150 draw करो.
कौन सा एंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे?
जो हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किए हैं एंगल्स. 150 ड्रॉ करो. Draw 150.
मैम कौन सा एंगल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं?
मैम
जो हमने तीनों सेक्टर्स कैलकुलेट किए थे ना बेटा,
हाँ जी.
वही.
मैम ये तो फिर अच्छा 150 कर रहे हैं.
I'm done. Now rotate your protector. Rotate your protector and make second angle like this. What was the second angle? 80, 82, 84. What was the second angle? Please tell me. Soumita, second angle क्या है बेटा?
84 degree.
84 ड्रॉ करो. 84 ड्रॉ करो. Draw 84.
हम अगला 84 है, ये कौन सा बना रहे हैं? ये तो कुछ और ही बना रहे हैं.
क्यों? रोटेट करके ही बनेगा एंगल. अब जो आपका सेकंड एंगल बना है उसके ऊपर उसके स्ट्रेट में लेना है प्रोटेक्टर को. प्रोटेक्टर इज टू बी रोटेटेड और नोटबुक इज टू बी रोटेटेड.
मैम हमें 84 बनाना है. मैम में तो कोई
84 ही है बच्चा. 84 या 0 ये काउंट करेंगे ना. ये 0 है. यहाँ पे लाइन थी ना. लाइन वाज हियर. तो 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 84. This is 84.
Okay. I knew it.
The 0 is to be taken in care.
Yes, ma'am.
You would have drawn from here also. अब यहाँ से भी ड्रॉ कर सकते थे बेटा. यहाँ पे प्रोटेक्टर को रख के यहाँ से भी ड्रॉ कर सकते.
थर्ड एंगल ऑटोमेटिकली 126 हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ, यहाँ पे 3 वैल्यूज है तो ये इजी सा क्वेश्चन लिया हमने. We will do for more values also in your book. There are questions where we have more than 3 values.
मैम
We have questions.
एंगल भी चाहिए.
वो ऑटोमेटिकली 126 ही बचेगा बच्चा.
ओके.
यस मैंने मेजर कर लिया 126 ही है.
184, 126. बेटा यहाँ पे mark the shape of the angle also. Small arc we put for angle. Mark that also. 150, 84, 126. Then we have to label.
मेरा हो गया.
Label label either with different colors, or right now you can even use a small. You can even use like this. Year 1, year 2, year 3. जैसे हमने ग्राफ रीड किए थे वही ग्राफ बन गया. We read these kind of pie charts. Not same kind of pie chart we have drawn. We can even use 3 colors for the same. We can even use 3 colors.
थ्री टाइप्स के पैटर्न्स भी बना सकते हैं अगर कलर्स नहीं है.
पैटर्न बना दो या फिर ऐसे ही मार्क कर दो. कलर्स यूज करते तो यहाँ पर की पॉइंट भी यूज करते हैं. अभी आप यूज की
हम थ्री टाइप्स के पैटर्न्स भी बना सकते हैं.
हाँ बना सकते हैं, बट यू हैव टू शो हियर पैटर्न्स like you make in map. You remember in map, blue color for river, green for plateaus like that, whatever plains, green area. Yes, I will check. Riyansh, I will check everybody's work. I can see your work, but others won't be able to see. So I am going to check after this. One by one, I am going to check everybody's work. Riyansh, I can see your work. Children, if you are done, please let me know. I'm going to check your work.
मैम I am also दिखाएंगे my work. मेरा हो गया.
I'll check your work. I can't check in this video panel. Others won't be able to see in video panel. I will check afterwards in my gallery view. I will check once you are done. Hardik, you have become very silent. And earlier also I said the same. You're not responding. Neither you are asking anything. Can I stop share?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll check my work. Now I am in gallery view. I can check your work.
Ma'am, no, my
Riyansh was showing
my work.
Riyansh was showing the first work. I will check his work first. Riyansh, yes. Riyansh showed me. Riyansh showed me even in video panel. Can you all see his work? Wonderful. It's correct.
Yes,
150, 84, 126. And please measure also afterwards once you are done.
Yes, ma'am. Now my work.
Wait. Who is this? जिसका भी दिख रहा है मैं सबका दिखा रही हूँ. Don't worry, I'll show everybody's. Don't take. Okay, Divyansh. I am showing. You all are showing me. I am just showing Divyansh's work first. Divyansh का देखो. Wonderful. Clap for him. He has drawn with colors. But बेटा लेकिन आपको यहाँ पे you have written year 1. It's fine, but we should also write here. Make small 3 boxes: blue, red, and green. and you have to write in front of blue year 1, year 2 and year 3 with, if you don't write inside. अगर लिख दिया अंदर तो ठीक है. Fine, very good. Yes.
Ma'am,
Who's this? Tell your name.
ma'am, Bhavya Shetty.
भव्य सेठी. कहाँ है भव्य सेठी जी? हाँ जी भव्य सेठी.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. Show it with the angle also, huh? Show it in angle also. Swamita is showing now. Yes. So if you take very small circle, you won't be able to show properly. Somebody was asking me, can we take a small circle? Don't be miser in taking the radius.
Ma'am, I was
How does it
asking.
cost?
I make small only.
Okay. So Saksham, show your
Please
work.
see mine.
Saksham. And I call the name, then you can show. Otherwise, you keep on carrying your notebook. Yes, Saksham is correct. Correct. Akib. Yes, it's
मैम
correct.
दिखा
It's correct. I hope when I'm pinning the video, others can also see.
Yes, ma'am.
You all can see on the whole screen. You can also pin. I am pinning so that I can see
Yes, ma'am.
clearly. Very good. Pranav, your work is right. Ansh is showing. Ansh, have you understood? समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha is showing. Very good. Let me check Sneha's work. Yes, better mark it. Mark small angles here. It's correct. Who else? Vaibhav is showing. Vaibhav. Yes, correct. Correct. Riyansh has shown me.
Ma'am,
Ansh
Vaibhav
has
is
shown.
showing.
Bhavya has shown. Bhavya has
Vaibhav
shown.
is showing.
Akul. Ragini is showing. Let me check Ragini's work. Yes, very good. We'll do many more questions. All the work questions of NCERT also in the class. At least few questions of NCERT. There are I think 3 questions of NCERT to be for construction of, for drawing of pie chart. For drawing of pie chart. We'll do all the 3. Who else want to show? Raghav has not shown me. Sweetie, show your work, beta. Hardik, Sneha, I have checked yours, beta. I have checked yours. Sweetie, show your work. Sweetie, show your work. Sweetie, show your work.
Ma'am.
Dave, show your work. Dave, show your work. Why have you started leaving the class? You can't leave the class like this when I'm asking for showing your work. Kanak Sood. How will I come to know whether you've understood it? No, not. Kanak Sood. Kanak. Yes. Let me check. थोड़ा सा कॉपी पीछे करो बच्चा. I'm not able to see the graph. It's correct. It's correct. Perfectly fine. Very good. Sweetie, can you hear me? Sweetie, can you hear me?
Oh, ma'am.
Sweetie, please answer back. Hardik, show your work. Hardik, show your work.
Oh, ma'am.
Akul, Laksh. Laksh, show your work. Akul, show your work. Sohan, can you show now? Internet is fine. Let me check your work. Yes, he has used 3 patterns. That is also fine. Perfectly fine. Very good. Laksh, Akul is showing now. Let me check Akul's work. पीछे करो थोड़ा सा कॉपी. Just keep the notebook little behind.
मैम बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लर आ रहा है ना?
Maybe network issue होगा. थोड़ा सा network issue है शायद. Okay, fine. It's okay.
मैम हार्दिक का मैसेज आया है.
कैमरा बेकार है.
Oh, ma'am.
Dave, you've not shown me the work.
हार्दिक
Dave.
बोल रहा है कि इसका कैमरा नहीं.
Saksham, I have read the message. Dave, show your work. Dave Jindal, what happened to you? Show your work. Now, which exam you have, children, on Monday?